Hello, my name is Marilyn Tolliver, and this is my grandson, Marcellus Tolliver, and we are here to bring you a brief message from FHL Fruit of Life, Apply the Word for Kids. Now, Marcellus and I, we've been studying the Ten Commandments, and so today's scripture is going to come from Exodus 20, and we're going to read verse 12, and it says, "Honor your father and your mother, that your days may be long upon the earth that the Lord thy God has given you." Marcellus, can you talk to the boys and girls about what we studied? What does this mean?
Well, Grandma, it means that you should honor, love, and respect your parents. You should never talk back. You should listen to them, and you should obey them. And you should obey them.
That's just right. God really wants us to be obedient to our parents. And we did talk about an example about how things can go better for you when you obey. You remember our little example? Tell them what we said.
Well, if your parents tell you not to go play in the street, but you do, you could get ran over by a car.
That's right. So, boys and girls, remember, your parents love you. They want what's best for you. Please obey them. When you obey your parents, you will be obeying God. That's our special message from FHL Fruit of Life, Apply the Word for Kids. We'll see you next week. Bye-bye.
Bye.